Oh, all angry, upset? Waited too long? Okay, 2 minutes out. Come on, get it out of your system. It's a long story, sir. We wanted to start early, but parking nahi mile, so we had to park the car here. I apologize. We'll go very fast. Is that okay? Feeling little better? So we'll give you lunch, we'll give you some presents. Will that help? No? Okay. Sabko conveyance de do, please, everybody. We'll give you something. Don't worry. Welcome to the show, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the show. You can clap a little bit, yaar. Come on, be nice. कैसे हो सर? सब ठीक? All good? मम्मी डैडी, बेटा बेटी, गर्लफ्रेंड, all? गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है अभी? अच्छा, हाथ ऊपर करा. Don't do anything there. All right. All good. I want to make this audience a little happy before we start because I don't want our Nissan Sunny gentlemen who come from Japan to feel left out at all. Indians normally give very warm welcome, and so hello, how are you, sir? All good? The cars are making sure there's enough space.
Absolutely enough space.
Sir, and I'm going to start right at the beginning. Firstly, this audience, we have to warm them up a little bit because they've been waiting. So I think we should just say sorry to them and tell them not to, be too upset.
Sorry.
Yes, in true Japanese and Indian tradition. Sorry. Now we'll just say sorry to each other, just to pass time. Okay, sir, no, let's start very quickly. What is this Nissan Sunny phenomenon all about? Take us back a little bit and tell us.
Well, Nissan is all about innovation and excitement. That's our tagline. And all our products, which we're launching for the last 70 years, Nissan internationally. Sunny as a brand got born in 1966.
Pause for effect. 1966 ki baat hai.
1966 was also the year when Indira Gandhi became the Prime Minister of India.
Perhaps not the right thing to mention during BJP government, but anyway.
So from that time, Sunny has been there. 23 million Sunnys have been sold from that time. And it is in the 10th generation Sunny which you see now. It is the 10th avatar.
The 10th avatar of Sunny. A very important point. Of course, if you go in Chandigarh, you'll find the other 9 avatars. Many people call Sunny there. I've gone there. But no, nothing like this wonderful car.
Yeah, absolutely. So what you are seeing is the 10th avatar or the 10th generation Sunny. And I'd like to tell you something about the product if you allow me.
Yes, please. Tell me style. What about the style?
Well, style, you look at the chrome grille. The samurai dress. It signifies the samurai dress.
The samurai warrior dress.
Samurai warrior dress you see in Japan. It's got chrome in the headlamps. It's got chrome in the grille. And the boomerang headlamps give you a very great illumination and also a very attractive to look at.
Yes, and important in India because there are many places where the bijli will go and you have this wonderful equipment so everybody can do their homework.
This cannot work as a generator inverter if that's the function which you want to do. But it's a great headlight.
Sir, ये तो देसी product भी है ना, so we have to look at it from our point of view as well. What about space, which is a very important
Space
feature?
तो आप आइए इधर आइए सर मेरे साथ. ये गाड़ी ऐसी है, if a 6 foot 1 inch and I'm about 10-15 kg higher weight than you, I can get into this car with total ease and get out with total ease. Ingress and egress is very, very simple.
6'1", not bad. Now let 5'8" also try very quickly.
And Cyrus, if you gain 20 kg weight and increase 3 inches height, you'll still be comfortable.
Not bad, sir. So I can drive you around Mumbai.
Running?
Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't be rude to short men, which is 50% of the males in the industry, but I won't get there.
But good job, yeah, talking about space and everything. Looks like you pumped some air into yourself. And
Yes, I do.
Just to demonstrate the space.
Yes, you don't want to let the air out or they'll run away. It's more. I want to also say, can you talk less? Because my neck will pain if you talk for a long time. Give a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Sonakshi Sinha, please.
Thank you, thank you.
And I don't like these conferences where you call a star and then you ask them questions and they pretend that they learned everything. So we've asked her to learn nothing. I'm just going to ask her right now to just tell us her impressions of the car.
Looks like anyway you're not going to give me an opportunity to talk.
No, please.
Oh, okay.
How long do you want Sonakshi to speak for? Those who want 15 minutes, raise your hands.
Thank
Look at
you.
that rascal at the back, Sarah.
Thank you. Okay, no.
He's your big fan, huh?
Okay,
that
now
guy, right?
can I talk?
Please talk.
I'm really happy to be here with Nissan and Big FM, and with a big car. Really happy because for me, being a tall person, I need a lot of space in a car. So, it's the perfect fit for me as well. And it's beautiful, looks stylish, it's got great interiors, and I'm happy that I could be a part of this innovative event because we're relaunching it and revamping it and getting it out there to all you people. And good to be a
these
part of it.
sexist comments, Sonakshi, people make that lady drivers don't know how to park cars and all that.
I am a very good driver. That is why also I think I've been called.
I am also a very good
Do you
driver.
think I can drive this car back home? Just take it from here.
Arun sir, is it possible?
Yeah.
Huh? Because अब camera चालू है आपके, so
कैमरे
just
चालू है
remember
आपने
that, हाँ.
absolutely बोल दिया अब तो मैं लेके
We will
जाऊंगी
play
sir.
10-15 times, they'll loop it on news channels if we don't give the car. And you know our Bollywood celebrities, they'll take whatever you give free, huh? Am I right, man? No, not Sonakshi. Sonakshi is classy. I'm talking about those males, those short males who work in the industry. We've got to get
You will take your cut out from it.
I'm playing mother's roles
middleman.
now already. Okay, so Sonakshi, anything else you'd like to share? Because I did a little research. You've done this film Lutera about a little while back. The opening of that is in an old vintage car and you're struggling to
Yeah.
drive it. So maybe you'd like to switch?
I would definitely like to switch after driving that car because that car was like really heavy and not so smooth to drive as compared to this,
And
of
it,
course.
and,
So,
and it
yeah.
was yourself driving. There was no stunt, obviously.
I don't.
You
for
don't-
driving, you
but-
don't need stunt.
You just need driver.
I mean, I know how to drive.
Fair enough. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Sonakshi lighting up this place. So at least we have a real beautiful person who suits this beautiful car. Aesthetically very beautiful, you'd say that? And,
Absolutely.
and spacious as well, which means
Spacious, stunning.
it works
Yeah,
for both of us.
works
It's
for-
pretty like you are, elegant like you are, and large enough like I am.
for you to fit in. And I think even with you inside, I think we can fit another 7, 8, 9, 10 people.
Oh,
It's fine.
Sonakshi, are you saying we have a party? You, me, my family? Nissan Sunny Zindabad, sir. We love you. All right. Thank you so much. And what we're going to do right here is get our photo opportunity moment, which is why we're all here. Let's not lie. Let's call Arun sir back, MD of Nissan India.